Mobile Edge with a public service announcement. Vehicles model year 2016, 17, and newer are still available with manual mechanical door locks. Now, when this client brought her brand new to her 2016 Nissan Frontier in for a remote car starter, we actually added power door locks in all 4 doors, complete with rocker switches on the driver and passenger front door for electronically locking and unlocking all of the doors. As part of the remote starter, we tied in the keyless entry to lock and unlock from the remote. Now, 1 click will unlock the driver's door. The remaining doors will stay locked. 2 clicks will unlock all doors for all passengers to get in.